Hello and welcome to my tutorial to how to download Day Trigger 2 game for free for Android. So in this tutorial I will go through how the downloading process and installing process of Day Trigger 2 game. So here is the first step. So you're gonna have to go to 5play.com.ru and the link to this website is in the description, or you can type in the link which is provided in here. After going to the link, you will find a division like this, and now click on download APK. So you're gonna have to download APK first and then OBB. Now after going to this link, you will be redirected to another web page, and you are gonna have to wait for the countdown to finish. So it's about 8 seconds long. After the countdown finishes, you will be able to see the downloading button. So note that in this step, after downloading .apk file, make sure you do not open the file yet. Now the next step, you are gonna have to download OBB file. So in the Day Trigger 2 web page on 5play.ru, click on download OBB button. Note that it's about 500 MB. Now you are gonna again you will be again redirected to another web page and wait for the countdown to finish. Now you will be able to see download button. Click on the download button to download it. Now you're gonna have to use a file manager. There is always a default file manager in your device. You can choose to use that for further process, or you can use any file manager you would like, such as Google Files. In this case, I am using my default file manager. In the file manager, go to Android. In the Android, go to OBB. Here in Android/OBB directory, paste your downloaded OBB files. If your downloaded file is in .zip format, make sure you extract it. Now it's installation time. Open .apk file to install your game. Click on the install button and enjoy your beautiful game. Well, it's a step. I have also uploaded a step-by-step instructions. I have put a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.